Welcome to Beijing, where the hustle and bustle of the city meets the tranquility of the past. Our journey begins as we touch down at Beijing Capital International Airport, a bustling hub that connects China to the world. Once you've collected your bags, you'll have a few options to reach the heart of the city. You could hop on the Airport Express, hail a taxi, or arrange for a private car service. Each offers a unique perspective as you make your way to your destination. As we approach the city, let's take a moment to get familiar with Beijing's districts. From the historic charm of Dongqing to the modern allure of Chaoyang, each neighborhood offers a distinct slice of Beijing's vibrant tapestry. Now that we've got our bearings, it's time to dive into the heart of Beijing. Delve into the grandeur of Beijing's imperial past. Let's start our journey at the heart of Beijing, the Forbidden City, also known as the Palace Museum. This is no ordinary city, it's a city within a city, a vast expanse of ancient buildings and artifacts that served as the imperial palace for 24 emperors during the Ming and Qing dynasties. As you meander through the Hall of Supreme Harmony, the Hall of Preserving Harmony, and the Imperial Gardens, you're stepping into a world steeped in history and regal splendor. From there we journey to the Temple of Heaven, an architectural masterpiece from the Ming dynasty. This temple complex was once the spiritual home of the emperors, where they would pray for a good harvest and seek divine approval. Its circular design, symbolic of heaven, and the square base representing earth, showcase the ancient Chinese understanding of the universe's harmony. Next we explore the Summer Palace, an oasis of beauty and tranquility. Imagine strolling through the lavish gardens, past lakeside pavilions and over ornate bridges. This royal retreat was a haven for emperors seeking escape from the stifling heat of Beijing summers. The palace is a testament to the aesthetic tastes of the imperial families, their love for nature, and their pursuit of a refined lifestyle. These imperial marvels, each a UNESCO World Heritage Site, are more than just architectural masterpieces. They are the living memories of a bygone era, embodying centuries of cultural evolution and historical narratives. They provide a lens through which we can appreciate the grandeur of China's imperial past and the profound wisdom of its ancestors. Having breathed in the aura of royalty, we now set our sights on one of the world's most iconic wonders. Stay tuned as we continue our journey through Beijing, from the imperial courts to the mighty Great Wall. Prepare for an adventure like no other as we journey to the Great Wall of China. Rising from the rugged landscape, the Great Wall stretches beyond the horizon, a testament to China's ancient ingenuity and resilience. We begin our exploration at the Mutianyu section of the Great Wall, a well-preserved stretch that offers a less crowded yet equally mesmerizing experience. Here you have the option to ride a cable car for an effortless ascent, or choose the path less traveled and hike up the steep slopes. Whichever you choose, the panoramic vistas of the surrounding mountains and valleys will leave you breathless. The Great Wall is more than just a wall. It's a symbol of a civilization's strength and determination, a structure that has stood the test of time and continues to inspire awe and respect. From the Great Wall, we journey to the Ming tombs, an expansive complex of mausoleums housing 13 emperors of the Ming dynasty. The grandeur of these tombs speaks volumes about the importance of the afterlife in Chinese culture. Walking the sacred way, the path leading to the tombs feels like stepping back in time, with the stone statues of animals and dignitaries standing guard in solemn silence. Our journey through time continues at the Zhuyongguan Pass, a strategic mountain pass along the Great Wall. This place has seen countless battles and stood as a vital defense against invaders. Walking through the old gates, you can almost hear the echoes of ancient warriors and the clashing of swords. Each site we visit tells a story, a tale of a bygone era that shaped China's history. The Great Wall, the Ming tombs, the Zhuyongguan Pass, they all stand as silent witnesses to a past filled with glory, struggle, and perseverance. After exploring these historic sites, let's immerse ourselves in Beijing's vibrant cultural scene. Beijing's rich tapestry of culture and art is ready to be unraveled. Just as the city's skyline is a testament to its ever-evolving modernity, Beijing's museums and cultural spaces offer a window into its storied past and vibrant art scene. At the forefront is the National Museum of China. As one of the largest museums in the world, it houses an impressive collection that spans ancient history to modern art, offering a comprehensive look at China's rich cultural heritage. But it's not just the past that's celebrated here. For a taste of contemporary art, the 798 Art Zone is the place to be. The former factory complex has been transformed into a bustling arts district, teeming with galleries, boutiques, and cafes. Here you'll find a dynamic blend of traditional and modern art that reflects the diversity of China's creative landscape. And speaking of tradition, no cultural exploration of Beijing would be complete without a visit to the Beijing Opera. This centuries-old art form, with its colorful costumes, expressive performances, and captivating music, is a feast for the senses. It's a vivid reminder of the enduring power of tradition in a city that's constantly moving forward. As we leave the realm of art and culture, we step into Beijing's modern marvels. Welcome to modern Beijing, where futuristic architecture meets traditional charm. Rising from the city's skyline, the Beijing National Stadium, fondly known as the Bird's Nest, and the Water Cube Aquatic Center, are iconic structures that symbolize the city's leap into the future, showcasing China's innovative spirit. As we move into the heart of the city, the Central Business District, or CBD, unfolds before our eyes. This bustling hub, with its towering skyscrapers and pulsating energy, is a testament to Beijing's economic prowess. Our journey through modern Beijing wouldn't be complete without a stroll down Wangfujing Street. This vibrant commercial area, with its bustling shopping scene and mouth-watering street food, encapsulates the city's dynamic spirit. Having experienced the city's modern pulse, it's time to indulge in Beijing's culinary delights. Ready your taste buds for a gastronomic adventure. As we navigate the culinary landscape of Beijing, one delicacy stands out above the rest: the Peking duck. This dish, a veritable symphony of flavors, is a feast for the senses. Prepared with meticulous precision, the duck is glazed and roasted to perfection, resulting in a crispy skin and succulent meat. Served with thin pancakes, spring onions, and sweet bean sauce, every bite is a celebration of Beijing's culinary heritage. But the gastronomic journey doesn't end here. The streets of Beijing are alive with the sizzle and aroma of local delicacies. From spicy Sichuan skewers in Wangfujing to steaming Jianbing in Huhai, each vendor has a unique story to tell through their food. These bustling food streets offer a captivating sensory-rich experience that's not just about the food, but the atmosphere and the people too. With our appetites sated, let's wrap up with some practical tips for your Beijing journey. For a seamless Beijing experience, these practical tips will come in handy. First, let's talk about getting around. Beijing's public transportation is quite extensive, with numerous subway lines and buses that traverse the city. It's a cost-effective and efficient way to explore the city's many districts. Don't forget to grab a transportation card for easier navigation. Next, a few basic Mandarin phrases can go a long way in making your journey more immersive. Ni hao means hello, jiexi is thank you, and zai jian is goodbye. These phrases can be your icebreakers in conversations with locals. Finally, it's important to dress for the season. Beijing's weather varies greatly throughout the year. Summers can be hot and humid, while winters are bitterly cold with occasional snow. Spring and autumn, however, offer mild and comfortable temperatures. So pack your clothing accordingly to enjoy your travels comfortably. In conclusion, Beijing is not just a city, it's a captivating blend of history and modernity. A place where every corner has a story to tell. This guide is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more to explore and experience in the heart of China's capital. We hope this guide has sparked your curiosity to explore the cultural tapestry of Beijing. Until next time, safe travels.